Hello friends, welcome to Jinrong Vehicle. Today let's study low-bed semi-trailer. Low-bed semi-trailer, also called low-boy semi-trailer in some places. It's used for loading excavators, load rollers, bulldozers, large machines, and other heavy equipment. The loading capacity is 30 tons to 100 tons. This one is 80 tons. This is from 2 meters to rear ramp. The length is from 7 meters to 12 meters, and usually no more than 30 meters. You can choose 3 axles, 4 axles, or 5 axles. It's optional. The minimum working height from the ground is about 860 millimeters. The width can be made from 3 meters to 3.5 meters. The rear ramp is manual mechanical type. You can also choose hydraulic type rear ramp. This is one kind working flat. And this working plate is for loading concrete strings. For the construction of highway and bridge. Okay, we finished the solving of low-bed semi-trailer. Tomorrow we continue to study rear-time semi-trailer. Bye.